I'm about to go to class, and my friend Tori, who sits with me in class, hates the sound of loud clicker fidgets. So I just got a silent clicker fidget that I can use in class, and I'm gonna see if she notices when I'm using it.
I hate it less because it's cute.
A group and on the extra pass I give you on after math 323.
Yep, that's exactly what I said.
Enhances children's understanding of which they live. Okay, and I think that's pretty important.
Be newer.
That's all we're moving to.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
So you start off with 22. What happens?
Dad eats.
Follow me, everybody. 22 minus 1. Ladies in the back. Make sure you.
In the kitchen and he eats half a dozen.
You eat half a dozen. How many is that?
6.
We'd like to do that if at all possible, but there's reality.
See it and throws it immediately.